So CTE, it is mean for common table expression. So it is used to store temporary result set and defined with the class and then use within your main query. Okay, it is just like derived table only, but what is the difference between CTE and derived table means uh, it has some readability and reusability will be there. So I will explain that reusability in CTE, okay, with example, then only you come to know. So why this reusability is there in CTE, okay, and these are the main syntax. Like CTE starts with the class, and with the class allows we can use more than one CTEs in a single query, okay, and a CTE can reference other CTEs that are part of the same with the class, but those CTEs should be defined earlier, okay. So we can have multiple CTEs that we can use at a time also in this query, in a single query, okay. And the execution scope of CTE exists within the particular statements in which it is used. And coming to the benefits, readability and performance, okay, and it is an alternative concept for views. So view concept we will discuss in coming sessions, and it can also be used as chaining of CTEs for simplifying the query. That means we can use multiple CTEs, okay, and we can have recursive CTEs also. So we with example we will discuss one by one, okay. So first of all, CTE, what is the difference between derived table and CTE? Okay, so simple difference, syntax wise, simple difference. I will tell. Here it is, derived table. Yeah. So duplicate employee table, it is having 14 records. If I insert department number 10 records again, then I can have duplicate records. Okay. See, so this is the query for finding duplicate records. Okay. So same query I can write by using CTE also. And as we discussed with CTE, here CTE means you can give any kind of name. Okay. And brackets will be same. Here select star from CTE. That means this query result will be stored in common table expression, which is a temporary result set. And from this, after that, after storing this query result in a CTE temporary table, and we just calling that table by writing select star from CTE. See, if you don't write where condition, then it will display all the records like this. Same thing. Okay. So see the difference here. Alias name we will use at the end of the brackets, and here alias name will be given at the start of the bracket with by using with keyword, and as it is both are mandatory. And after that we generally use to fetch the records by using select query, same thing. Okay, and we will write one example for this, display employee details whose salary is greater than the department average salary. Okay. So this thing, I think, so we have written here. See, same logic I will write by using CTE. So that, see, same requirement I am taking. Why? Because you can observe the syntactical difference between derived table and CTE. Okay. With CTE as delete here and select C dot star from CTE natural join, and here E dot solve C, and we will run both queries, then only we can find the difference between them. Missing from class entry.
So CTE. Alias names CTE. C.
See. Okay, so here I have to take E dot sal and see how many records? 6 records, 5,280. So same records. Okay. So this is the way to write the query. And we can have arguments in CT also, like I will take one example. Department wise average salary. Yeah. I will take same example. And here I am writing, I am giving some parameters, department number, average salary. Okay. So these column names I have defined here. And select star from CTE. Okay, same thing I have get. So here max of average salary. Okay. So, see, my intention is we can use the column names here also. Okay, we can specify the column names at CTE declaration. Okay. So how to declare means this is the syntax. And next one, multiple CTEs. So multiple CTEs, I will take this example. Display the department-wise count, which are having salary greater than average salary. Okay. So department-wise employee count, that employees salary must be greater than average salary. So first we need to calculate the average salary for department wise. Okay. So we have already query. And okay. Next step. After having average salary, and I need to make the join with employee stable salary. Okay. And here CTE 1 as select employee number, employee name, salary, department number from employee and natural inner join. So I can use this table CTE. Okay. And where employee dot salary greater than CTE dot salary. Okay. Now select star from CTE 1. Now we will execute. Syntax error. So common, I think. Is not existing. Okay, we will use alias name E and here E dot E dot E dot E dot and C dot average salary. C dot salary. Okay, sorry. So here I can have the employee details which salary is greater than average salary of the department. Okay. And now I need to find the count for department wise. Okay. So here, comma. Again, I am taking one more CTE as select department. Already we have query here. So just I am copy and paste it. And here count of star count. And here CTE 1. Okay. From CTE 1 group by department. Now, if you observe this, select star from CTE 2. Okay. So 10 per 30 total, 6 records are there. Okay. So if you want to check, you can check by writing select statement here. 1. See, 6 records. Okay. Just I am taking count. Okay. And here I have get this employee department wise count. For example, I want to get the department names and location also. Then, so just use natural inner join. Okay, and here table is department D, department table. See, I can get it. Okay, so simple. First, I have written department wise average salary in CTE. Okay, again, I have compared that average salary with employee table, I mean employee records salary. Okay, and I filtered employee details which are having the salary greater than average salary. And in next CTE level, I have found department wise count based on the previous CTE. Okay, and then this is the logic for getting the department names and location. Okay, so this is the syntax and this is the way to write multiple CTEs, okay, in a single query. Okay, so do you have any doubts?